Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss another upload, and let's get this day started. Good morning, y'all. I'm about to get ready and go in this kitchen, cook me some turkey bacon and some cheesy eggs. I just got through dropping the kids off. I dropped my daughter off first, and then I dropped my boys off at school. I dropped my daughter off at my parents' house. They keep her for me. And then I dropped the boys off at school, and then I did an hour of volunteering at their school. So we have required volunteering hours that we have to complete every school year, and of course I'm completing mine at the end of the school year. So I am trying to get these done in the last couple of days. So let me get in here and make me some turkey bacon and some cheesy eggs because I'm a little hungry. And I think I need to throw some chicken in the oven for dinner tonight. And hopefully we'll have some left over for tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's early in the morning and I am drinking my Vitamineral green shot. It is just Vitamineral green vitamin, the powder, the loose powder, and some black seed oil and water. I just take 1 tablespoon of the powder, add 1 capful of the black seed oil, and I mix in some water, and it is pretty good. I also take a fish oil peel as well, so I can get my fish oil in. So I'm about to drink this down and then get ready to eat my breakfast, my turkey bacon and eggs. Okay guys, so I told you all I was on a weight loss journey. So this morning I'm having some turkey bacon and some eggs with some cheddar. So I've been alternating between regular eggs that come out of a shell and egg whites so that I don't have a bunch of cholesterol in my diet. So yesterday I had egg whites and turkey bacon. So today I'm going to have regular eggs and turkey bacon. I prefer regular eggs, but I can tolerate egg whites. So that's why I've been alternating. And I don't like my eggs cooked hard. So to get the cheese nice and melted on top, I cook it till it's just about done, and then I add some shredded cheese, and then I cover it with some foil and add some dried parsley, and it cooks to perfection for me. So that's how I like my eggs. Okay guys, so I just finished eating breakfast. I put 2 whole chickens in the oven. Yes, 2 whole chickens, and hopefully it will last for 2 days. But I have 2 teenage boys and a husband and a greedy 3-year-old. Okay, so hopefully the chicken will last for a little bit, because I like to cook a little extra so that I can have some for the next day. So I'm not cooking every day, especially in the summertime when it's warm outside. I don't really like cutting my oven on. And I usually would cook in my crock pot or my pressure cooker in the summertime, but it hasn't gotten quite that hot yet in Chicago where I need to start cooking in my crock pot and my pressure cooker. But I do like to cook early in the morning and get it out the way, so in case it does warm up, because again I live in Chicago, the weather is so random, you have no idea. So if it warms up in the evening, I would have gotten the cooking already done. I don't have to cut on my oven or anything, so it won't be that much wear and tear on my air conditioning. So now I'm about to take a look at my garden, and I am going to do some watering of my plants, but I am going to show you my garden this morning. This is my absolute addiction. My husband thinks I'm crazy. Sometimes he'll come out here and be like, what are you doing? Why are you out here so much? I am stalking my babies. I am making sure my babies are okay. I am making sure the bugs have not tried to attack my babies. I am making sure they are watered. I am making sure nothing has trampled them. And if it did, I'm hurrying up trying to bring them back up. I am just addicted to my yard. I love it when it starts to get warm. Around March time frame is when I'm coming out planting some seeds. And I'm kind of always hesitant in March because, again, I live in Chicago, so we can still have frost all the way up into May, okay? So, like this year, for example, I didn't get a chance to get out in my yard until May because we still have frost. Heck, the other day, it's June, and the temperature got down to 50, okay? So, and I planted some elephant ears this year. I don't know how it's gonna work out because elephant ears like tropical weather. It likes for it to be really warm. So I don't know how big the elephant ears are going to get, but we'll see. But this is the gardening life in Chicago, so let me show you what we do. Okay, guys, and right here on the side of my house, I have my elephant ears. It's over by my garden area, and I can't wait for them to actually start getting bigger, to actually see some foliage coming. I'm super excited about that. I don't know how well it's going to do because it hasn't been that warm yet in Chicago. And elephant ears love warm temperature. And then here we have the lettuce seeds that I just planted Monday, and it's only Thursday, and I already see some seedlings, so that's super exciting. And one of my goals this summer is to pick me some fresh lettuce, pick me some fresh cucumbers, and get some jalapenos, bell peppers, sugar snap peas, from my garden and make myself a salad. That would be so awesome, guys. That is what I'm looking forward to. And when I get ready to do that harvest and make my salad, I am going to, of course, film it and take you along with me. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, guys, so I hope you really enjoyed that little tour of my garden area. I'll start taking you out there more often. I enjoy going out there and spending time with my little babies. And then after I filmed that little tour, I went ahead and watered my little babies. And then I came in and I took the chicken out the oven. So check out the chicken that I took out the oven. Okay, guys, so here's the chicken out the oven. Nice and juicy. I'm letting it sit and rest. I cooked it for probably between 2.5 to 3 hours, closer to 3 hours, on 450. And I did lightly cover it with foil so that the chicken didn't dry out or that the tips didn't get burned. But I didn't completely cover it where it became too soggy. I don't really like soggy chicken. So, but this is how the chicken turned out. I can't wait to try it for dinner. And I'm going to pair that baked chicken with some fried corn, y'all. It's going to be so delicious tonight. I'm going to have the baked chicken, the fried corn, and I'll probably cook some cornbread. And I'm debating what the third side dish is going to be. I had at first wanted some sliced avocados, but I know that's not a real side dish. So I'll probably make either some rice or potatoes. I haven't decided yet, but I definitely will keep you posted on what I cook as the third dish. Okay, guys, so after I took the chicken out and let it rest, I had decided to cut the corn up before I went to pick the boys up from school. So that it'll be ready when I got home and I could just start cooking it. So I went to pick the boys up, did my 1 hour of volunteering. So yes, I do 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, and I've been doing it so far all week. Today is Thursday, so I got in 8 hours this week of volunteering. And I plan to do some more volunteering tomorrow on Friday, and tomorrow will be the last day because it's the last day of school. But let me show you how my corn turned out. It was very delicious. The cornbread was nice and buttery and delicious. And I did not cook an additional side dish because the fried corn was fattening enough because it had milk, butter, and salt and pepper in it. So I said we'll just stick with the fried corn, the cornbread, and the chicken. So let me show you how the corn turned out. Here is the corn that I used. I cooked it in some milk, butter, and then I added some salt and some pepper to my liking. And I just cooked it until all of the milk was evaporated and it had a nice golden color. You talking about something delicious. And then I paired it with some nice buttery buttermilk cornbread. It was really good, y'all. Yes, guys, it was so good. I love fried corn. The kids actually really love this meal too. And I know my husband is going to love it. So I already fixed him a plate. So when he gets home, all I have to do is warm it up. Right now, I'm sitting in my bed relaxing. I am going to have me a glass of wine. I made up my mind. And then I'm going to watch my YouTube and I'm going to relax. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss another upload. And I will talk to you all soon.